Hey everyone, it's your favorite Vectorworks guru, Tyler. I wanted to start a video series, maybe do one or two a month, on some tips and tricks with Vectorworks. Hopefully kind of use some of the knowledge that me and my department and some people in the Vectorworks community have kind of learned over the years. Some things that we hope will speed up your drawing or just make you more comfortable in the software. This first video going to be a little bit longer. Most of the ones to come, we're going to do quick little 30-second, 1-minute videos. Just some hot tips and tricks for you. But like I say, the first one going to be a little longer because I wanted to go over the new Vectorworks user interface. So you've opened up Vectorworks 2024. You've noticed a few differences. You've noticed that your view bar up top looks a little different. And main thing, a lot of the tools, the tool icons, look a lot different, a lot less color, a lot more grayscale. What's going on here? So let's start with the view bar up top. Your view bar may not look like mine. If you go to the gear on the top right here, you've got your view bar settings. You can put it into regular mode, which I think a lot of people are more familiar with. And then you can choose auto hide mode if you'd like that to kind of go away. Come up there when you mouse it. I personally like compact mode. If you want to choose what you have on your view bar, here's where you can pin stuff. So you'll notice as I'm pinning, adding pins, taking it away, it adds stuff in there. Go ahead and play around with this if you'd like. This is just how I have mine set up. So let's go back over here to the left. Right below your view bar, you do have your tool options. As you know, with a tool selected, it gives you each of your options. Pretty cut and dry. Below that, you have your tool sets. And the most common thing I've heard is actually because of all the differences in icons, it gets a little confusing on what's what without mousing over and having it pop up. Well, a super easy way to solve that, the 3-line drop down. You can view your tools as icons and text. And you can do the same thing with your tool sets, where you view your tool sets as icon and text. I like to have mine as icons for the tool sets, and the actual tools themselves, I still like to have the names there. You can choose also in your basic tools to do the same thing here, and you can list those out and sort them and do what you want there. Then below your tool sets, you've got your attributes, and below that, I don't know if you knew that there is a fancy little tool information and tips. So with each tool that's selected, you'll notice that it has kind of what the tool itself can do. You've got a rectangle tool. This is telling you also the mode of the tool. It's corner to corner mode. Use shift to draw a square. Use shift command to draw a golden rectangle, so on and so forth. On the top right hand side here, you've got your quick preferences. So these are some quick preferences that I use. And to choose which preferences those are, you just click that drop down, and here's a quick little way to show you what is up there and what is not. So these are just the ones that I use most often: black and white only, dark background, so on and so forth. Below that, the object info palette, often referred to as the OIP. Below that is the navigation. And below that is snapping. One quick little thing here in the navigation pane is you'll probably notice that my layers sit before my classes, and yours may look like this. Well, you'll notice that you can just drag and move that and reorganize those. I work more in layers first, classes second. And then because I get click happy sometimes, I wanted to lock that. So I go down here and lock my tabs. Wanted to mention one last thing is you'll notice how everything on mine is like a higher resolution and is showing up much smaller. You can change that by going into your Vectorworks preferences. And in the general preferences down here on control size, you can choose small, medium, large, click OK, wait for Vectorworks to think about it for a second, and now it's going to resize everything to a larger, more easy to read format. So those are just a few of the quick user interface introduction tips and tricks. Look forward to some of the new videos that I've got coming out. If you have any suggestions or any videos that you'd like to see, go ahead and slide into my DMs and let me know what you want to see. We'll see you next time.